Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to 2545 West 15th Avenue. This beautiful mansion is built in 2018 and is located in the heart of Kitsilano, close to Arbutus and Trafalgar. Come on in and have a look. Hello, I'm Melissa Wu from eXp Realty. Welcome to 2545 West 15th Avenue. This is a beautiful home built in 2018. Come on in and have a look. We have gorgeous high ceiling with the central air conditioning and HRV. Radiant floor heat. Come on in and have a look. This beautiful Kitsilano home is also south-facing with lots of big, bright southern windows and side windows. When we show a home, of course, we would like a lighting. Look at that. Those are huge windows. Over here, we have the den. Very large den as well. And we have a guest powder room. And at the back, we have a French door to keep it private when you have your entertaining and dining. This is the dining area. We have an open gourmet kitchen, plus a spice or wok kitchen. Lots of kitchen cabinets and countertop for your entertaining and cooking. Over here, we have our dining area. This could be also a family room. Behind this wall and painting, we have a two-way fireplace. So imagine putting a TV there and a couch here. You can definitely use this as your family room. It's now being used as a large dining area. Over here, we have our covered deck. Isn't it beautiful? And we can take a look at the yard. We have lots of green space for grass, for kids to play. And also we have a garden flower bed. You can plant your cherries, tomatoes, and kale. We're now on the top floor of 2545 West 15th Avenue. This is a huge master bedroom with a large walk-in closet, huge master spa, lots of space for your king-size bed, and a double view fireplace, as well as a huge sun deck. Take a look. So, of course, the master bedroom, the Jack and Jill, so 1, 2, 3, and the fourth front bedroom that's south-facing. It's a beautiful bedroom ensuite. Take a look. We're now at the lower level basement of 2545 West 15th Avenue. We have a gorgeous custom built wet bar and this huge entertaining room, multi-purpose. You can put your snooker table, ping pong table, or you can watch movies. Great for family entertaining. Over here, we have a bedroom that's an ensuite. It's a large bedroom with a full bath. We also have a laundry area here. And we have a multi-purpose gym or family spa. This area is roughed in for a hot tub, and this is also roughed in for a steam shower, or you can convert it to a basement kitchen. And this area can be a laundry or storage with access of the door to the one-bedroom suite. You can easily have a one-bedroom suite with the access from this door. Let's go to the top floor.